A recent bird flu outbreak at a mink farm has reignited worries about the virus spreading more broadly to people. Scientists have been tracking the virus since the 1950s, and it was first deemed a threat to people in 1997. Avian viruses have played roles in other flu pandemics, and the risk to the general public is currently low. Bird flu is a virus that mainly affects animals, and it was first identified in 1959. Globally, nearly 870 human infections and 457 deaths have been reported to the World Health Organization.
Recently, the virus has been detected in mammals like foxes, raccoons, skunks, bears, and marine mammals.
The most recent outbreak occurred in October at a mink farm in Spain.